even though your shares are down a little bit, the analysts seem to feel positively about these numbers. But JP Morgan asks that maybe you're being slightly conservative on your full year 2026 guidance. Are you?
We're looking at it as being balanced and pragmatic regarding FY26, given the global and the overall environment. We guided at 9.6 billion, and that's after finishing up FY25 at 7 billion. So we're very excited about the opportunity ahead.
Chip design right now, there are some bigger picture discussions to be had. A great debate about companies big and small looking at custom ASICs through to doing more in-house versus not bothering. Because why? Nvidia is doing such a full stack offering. What are the trends that you're seeing, particularly when you think about your backlog, Sassine? Because the analysts are also talking about your backlog ex Ansys.
Yeah, we have a significant backlog entering FY26 at 11.5 billion. And what's driving that backlog is the strength across the portfolio. As for your question, most hyperscalers, they're looking for multiple alternatives to how to build and optimize along the stack. The silicon is an essential component, as you know. And almost every one of these hyperscalers, they have a strategy along three vectors. One, they buy merchant chips from Nvidia, AMD, Intel, etc., and they build their software stack. Then there is the custom vector or ASIC, and they have their own customer own tooling, what it's called, where they design the chip all themselves. For Synopsys, all three vectors are a fantastic opportunity because you need the essentialness of what we provide in order to achieve that silicon design all the way up to the system.
It's the first time we've spoken to you since that $2 billion endorsement, investment in your stock coming from Nvidia. And at the same time, Nvidia is trying to gain inroads once again back into China. You've got headwinds in the China part of the business. How do you see that part of the world evolving?
So the Nvidia investment was really driven, and it's a significant endorsement to our strategy to provide engineering solutions from silicon to systems, where Nvidia has been talking about the whole physical AI, etc. That cannot happen without having physics simulation inside the product development. And that's what Synopsys provides. As far as the China market and opportunity, FY25, we faced a significant headwind in China. Our business declined by about 20% due to these headwinds. What we talked about in our FY26 guide is we'll continue on assuming that the environment in China will remain status quo, the same stress that we saw in 25, and we have de-risked it out of our forecast.
Sassine, very, very quickly, 30 seconds. Why does Nvidia need to have an equity stake in your company?
It's exactly what Jensen said. He sees a great opportunity to make money and to make sure that he's participating and aligning both companies' roadmap in order to accelerate the investment and deliver to this opportunity.